how to remove a CPU. First, before removing part, you should have a diagram like this, a color coding diagram, so you don't forget. If you forget, you can still go back your diagram and remember things. How do you remove a CPU? Remove this thing right. See that thing right there, color coding. Make sure you have it. You write that thing down on a diagram like this. Black, blue. Okay, black, blue, something like that. So you remember later. Okay, remove it. Pull it out. Yeah, pull this thing out right here. Remove the screws. Like I already removed the screws right here. 4 screws. Remove this little fan. What this thing right here? Over this thing absorb heat, so your CPU don't get overheated. Yeah, this thing absorb all the heat from a CPU, so your CPU can work good. The CPU, the cooler, the faster, something like that. So when it get overheated, that's why you get breeze, something like that. That's a CPU right there. Okay, then this thing right here, pull it up, then you take it up. Make sure you don't bend nothing. See this little thing right here? Make sure you don't bend nothing, okay? Alright, thank you. Bye.